How to create and open a Canva account on your Android. Hey guys, let's get started. Logging in or signing up for Canva is quite simple and it is same for the browser and application as well. So first of all, make sure you have downloaded the Canva application on your Android. Tap open it and it will take you to another page. From there, you have to now select continue with Google or continue with Facebook in order to sign up. Or you could just give in your credentials regarding your email address. Once that is done, choose the email that is given or your preferred email. After that, it will ask you to give permissions and verify the email. Once you have verified the email, it should now open your new account and you have been signed up for Canva. This will now take you to the next page whereby you can try out Canva Pro, or you could just start with logging into the account and using its features. You can use projects, templates, and much more. You can also serve through having the educational presentations, videos, resumes, infographics, and whatnot. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.